Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you.
PM Modi turns 71. President Kovind, Union Minister and BJP leaders extend birthday greetings. President Ramnath Kovind, Union Minister Amit Shah, Rajnath Singh and Nirmala Sitharam greeted Prime Minister Narendra Modi on his birthday on Friday. PM Modi turned 71 today. Happy birthday and best wishes to Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi. I wish you good health and long life and continue to serve the nation with your well-known spirit. Our nation, Save Mahe, tweeted President Kovind. Home Minister Amit Shah lauded PM Modi, saying he is not only gave the country the idea to think ahead of time and prove its resolve with hard work but also made it reality. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh said Narendra Modi has written many new chapters in the development and good governance. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharam also took their Twitter to extend greetings to the Prime Minister as he turns a year older. Conveying birthday greeting to the PM, Union Minister of Women and Child Development Smriti Irani said, the embodiment of commitment and purity and a successful PM of the country who dedicated his life for the welfare of the people. From petroleum products to food delivery apps, what's on the GST Council meets agenda? For the first time since March 2020, when the COVID-19 pandemic hit India, the GST Council meeting on Friday in Lucknow will have all the members present physically. The Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharam will chair the meeting, attended by representatives of 28 states and 3 union territories with assemblies to discuss agenda items which may both reduce and increase the burden on consumers. The revision in rates of more than 50 goods and services, along with a discussion on bringing petroleum products like petrol, diesel, and aviation fuel under the ambit of a nationwide tax, are on the agenda of the GST Council meeting. But the meeting is expected to dedicate a lot of time to the issue of compensation to states for review losses due to the GST regime. Facing a shortfall, states are clamoring for extending the compensation regime beyond June 2022 deadline. The GST Council, to reduce the stress on the states, has already said yes to the existence of the compensation, says beyond the June 2022 deadline, so that the states can repay the almost 2.6 lakh crore principal amount of borrowing along with the interest by the states. The items under review are Zolgensma and Viltespro medicines for personal use, solar PV modules, copper concentrate, carbonate beverage with fruit juice, coconut oil, scented sweet supari, oncology medicine, and diesel electric locomotives. Hemant Soren's divisive politics is dangerous for Jharkhand's future. With the formation of the Jharkhand, which has carved out of Bihar on 15 November 2000, then the Modi PM, the then PM Atal Bihari Vajpayee fulfilled the decades-long aspiration of the Adivasi population of the region. Forest Everest said, it is worth nothing here that the BJP had originally wanted the state to be named Varnachal, which means the land of the forest, Jharkhand, which means jungle and has a more direct Adivasi connotations, was expected to the honor the 26% tribal population of the state. The formation of the new state was meant to usher in a new era of the harmonious prosperity for the mineral state. 21 years after the formation of the Jharkhand, sadly the state is battling the degenerating divisive politics of the present CM Hemant Soren. Sadly, the CM claims to be following the beliefs of Bhagwan Birsa Munda. But In reality, the Kavya Munda, one of the senior most tribal leaders of the country and a descendant of the Munda clan himself, denounces these absurd claims of the Jharkhand CM. Jharkhand, which was formed to respect Adivasi aspirations and give the community its long-standing due, is sadly witnessing toxic divisiveness engineered by CM Hemant Soren to hide his administrative failures.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.